Hello everybody, it's Kouroshca again, and today I'm going to demonstrate the third exercise of the lab of game 1007. As far as you remember in the previous video, I created a game which was a 2D game on Unity, and the player can move in 4 directions, and we have a really cool background. So right now I have updated a little bit of the game. I can see there are really pretty cool updates, and I will show each of them. So I have something called prefab for the player, and inside the prefab of the player we have prefab of the gun, which includes blaster and gun. Alright, so the blaster is actually the point that we will start shooting, and the gun by itself is a pretty cool water gun which the player has. Also, it has some scripts which I will tell you in the second part of the presentation. As you can see, we have a health bar as usual. An enemy has a prefab by itself, which includes a gun, and the gun itself includes blaster and gun, exactly just like the player. So we have two cops, and we have a cool background of a desert. So if I want to start speaking about the code, I will start speaking with the code of the player, which has movement. So about the movement, as you can see here, I use public booleans for pressing left, right, up, down, and the speed initialized by 5 at the beginning. So as you can see, I used if statements 4 times for right press, left press, up press, and down press. And for left and right, it's input vector.x, and for up and down is input vector.y. All right, so the next code that I want to show you is the code for the shooting. What's the shooting code? All right, let me show you the shooting code. Shooting code of the player has a really easy explanation. It has a fire rate, and the time between shots should be 1.1 over the fire rate, because we want to shoot the bullets by that period of time. So we have shoot timer minus delta time, because when we are shooting that something, we need to just calculate the time for that bullet too. So as you can see here, I use the shoot method or function, and in this method I just put blaster position and rotation of the shoots. That is pretty cool. So the third actually, the the script I want to show you is the enemy movement. The enemy movement, as you can see, it activates when the player is closer, it becomes closer to the enemy, and the distance between them is less than 5. So he start chasing you, and that's awesome because the enemy always wants you to lose the game. All right. So the other one is enemy shoot. So enemy can also shoot with fire rate of 0.3, because I want him to just not shoot constantly and shoot in a period of time. So again, I used a shoot method, and here as you can see, I have 2 lines of code which will show how to shoot the bullets with using of rotation, because I want the bullets to be shooted in the left direction comparing to the normal one, which is right. Also, this comment is not really important thing, and hope you don't look at it too much. The last code that I'm going to show is the projectile by itself. The projectile has a range and has a speed, and this projectile script is attached to bullets, which we had player bullet and enemy bullet. So these bullets are just going to the directions that we assigned them. So if I want to run this game right now, as you can see, and at the beginning of the game, enemy starts shoot. So we can shoot with pressing space, and they goes to the range of 1,000. And when they reach the range of the 1,000, they automatically destroyed. So as you can see, each 3 seconds, the enemy starts shooting, and you have to jump from them. As you can see here, the clones are getting destroyed because we don't need them anymore. And when you go close to the enemy, he starts chasing you wherever you go, and then you have to just make your distance from this enemy as far as you can. All right, that's it. Thanks for watching. Have a good time.